Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Yasif Iqbal with us from Solentech. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much, man. It's my pleasure.
Sir, can you just let us know about Solentech, like how and when it came into the solar industry and what are your product offerings?
Yeah, okay. So talking about the Indian solar industry, so we came to India actually 2.5 years back. Okay, as a company, we are an old company specialized in energy storage, especially in residential and C&I. So we are based out of China, we are based out of Munich, Germany, and Czech Republic, and we have footprint all over the globe. We have headquarters in Europe, in Africa, in Latin America, in all Southeast Asia. I am heading Solentech India business.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this RAI 2025, so what Solentech has come up with and what's your display today?
Okay, so let's talk about the problem that we are solving in India right now. Okay, so in India you see a lot of problem with the power outages and everything. Okay, so with solar we are providing energy storage solution in residential and C&I. Okay, so this is the problem that we are solving for India. Okay, we are one-stop solution for DG mitigation, where you are running DG, you go with Solentech, you install solar. Okay, then you reduce your electricity bill, then you reduce your diesel consumption at all, because the electricity is high cost, diesel is high cost, and the power backup, and it's a big headache for the business owners and the homeowners. Till now, people didn't have any solution which can run their high loads on the battery. If you talk about the residential, they could not run the AC, air condition, and the big loads. Talking about the C&I, they couldn't run the big factories. Now they can, because we are one-stop solution and we are providing that. Now let me give you an example. This is the product that you're seeing right now. Okay, this is single phase 5 kilowatt inverter, and this is 5 kilowatt hour battery. This is intake 1 home solution. Okay, this is for residential. The beauty of this product is the battery is such a state of the art. This is a 256 volt battery. Globally, nobody is making such a high voltage battery in such a small size. With this 1C charging discharging, you can charge this whole battery in 1 hour, less than 1 hour. You can put all your load, all your home load, AC or whatever on this. Okay, it will run. It will run as a UPS. It will run with the solar as an off-grid, a lot of function. Apart from that, we have 3-phase inverters, and C&I inverter we have launched up to 125 kilowatt. Nobody has that. Okay, so for the big factories, earlier we used to parallel inverters. Now we have one solution for that. So this is how we are doing in India.
If we talk about its distribution plan, so how have you planned for that?
So see, in this distribution, we have distributor all across India, okay, through which we are distributing to the end customer. Apart from that, we are looking for B2B business, okay, where we are looking for big EPCs, OEMs who have bigger channel than us, okay, and through that, we are trying to cater the whole Indian market. India is huge, okay, nobody can dominate India. People need new solutions every day, okay, a solution that can actually work. So there are two sides of this story, okay. One side, people look for cheap, okay, they always talk about the price, but when you go to the end customer's perspective, end customer never asks for the price, okay, they ask for a solution. It's you who communicate to them, okay, they are ready to pay the value if you give them a better product. That we are trying to convey to the end customer.
That's great. If we talk about in terms of technology, like how Solentech is maintaining the quality and the standards to meet the global benchmarks?
Oh, very good question, ma'am. Actually, this is something that really need to be answered. Okay, so in technology, you need to have a strong R&D hold. Then you can have a better product. Okay. There are a lot of components because the technology differentiation comes from the components. Okay, so in all the product that you see, okay, we use all the tier 1 components. Okay, if you talk about the batteries, we use tier 1 cells. If you about the inverters, we use tier 1, European and all these, not just local components. So that gives a life, because the hybrid inverters, especially, they are supposed to run 24/7. They do not switch off in the evening. Okay, so the product needs to be strong so that it could run. Say for example, if I'm giving 5 years warranty and telling that the life is 12 years, 15 years, it should run. The customer should not be cheated. Plus the enclosure and all, we use the highest quality material, because let me tell you one thing. This is the enclosure is the crazy part is it's the most expensive part of the inverter and the battery. Okay, so people using the thin plates and all, that reduces the cost, but that reduces the quality of the product as well. Okay, so these are the few details that you need to communicate to the customer, that because the industry is in very nascent stage. Okay, it's growing. Okay, so nobody knows what is it. Okay, through your medium and through our medium, you see our ads and all, it's all based on educating the customer. The more I educate the customer, the more business I get. So this is how we are leading in terms of technology.
We wish all the luck and all the success to Solentech in the coming years, and we wish for all the upcoming projects of yours as well, that it should grow and succeed.
Thank you so much, and I really wish EQ all the best. I really praise your work, what you're doing in the solar industry, and I really looking forward to to have more association with EQ as well. Okay, thank you
so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.